The universe, as we perceive it, exists in 4 dimensions, 3 spatial dimensions, length, width, and height, and 1 dimension of time. But what if there are more? What if our reality is merely a sliver of a grander, more intricate tapestry woven across 5 dimensions? The idea of a 5th dimension is not new. Physicists have long grappled with the concept of extra dimensions, seeking to explain phenomena that defy our current understanding of the universe. String theory, for example, proposes that the universe consists of tiny, vibrating strings existing in 10 or even 11 dimensions. Imagine our 4-dimensional universe as a flat sheet of paper. Now picture this sheet curving and bending, folding in on itself in ways we cannot perceive directly. This curvature, this folding, represents the 5th dimension. It is a dimension beyond our immediate senses, yet it influences our reality in profound ways. The 5th dimension is not simply a spatial extension, it is a realm of potential, a source of divine guidance, where the linear constraints of time and space dissolve into a sea of infinite possibilities. If the 5th dimension is a realm of infinite possibilities, then consciousness is the architect that shapes those possibilities into reality. Consciousness, in this context, is not merely the ability to think or feel, but a fundamental force that interacts with and organizes the fabric of existence. Quantum physics provides intriguing hints about the role of consciousness in shaping reality. The famous double-slit experiment, for example, demonstrates that the act of observation influences the behavior of particles at the quantum level. Particles exist in a superposition of states until observed, at which point they collapse into a single state. This suggests that consciousness is not a passive observer, but an active participant in the creation of reality. Our thoughts, beliefs, and intentions influence the quantum field, collapsing waves of possibility into the concrete experiences of our lives. Just as an artist sculpts clay, consciousness sculpts the quantum field, molding the raw material of the 5th dimension into the forms and structures we perceive as our world. Our individual consciousnesses are not isolated entities, but interconnected nodes within a vast, universal consciousness that permeates all of creation. If consciousness is the architect of reality, then language is the blueprint. Through language, we give shape and meaning to our experiences, weaving the threads of the 5th dimension into the tapestry of our lives. The words we speak, the symbols we use, and the stories we tell are not merely tools of communication, but instruments of creation. They carry within them the power to influence our thoughts, emotions, and ultimately, our reality. Ancient cultures understood the power of language. Sacred texts, chants, and mantras were not seen as mere words but as vibrational frequencies capable of influencing the fabric of reality. Modern science is beginning to catch up with ancient wisdom, as researchers explore the effects of sound and vibration on matter. Cymatics, the study of wave phenomena, reveals the intricate geometric patterns that form when sound waves interact with matter. These patterns, known as Chladni figures, suggest that sound has the ability to organize and structure matter at a fundamental level. Section 4. Tuning in, brainwaves and the 5th dimension. Our brains are complex instruments, capable of tuning in to different frequencies of reality. Brainwave entrainment, the synchronization of brainwave frequencies with external stimuli, offers a potential pathway for accessing and interacting with the 5th dimension. Our brains operate at various frequencies, each associated with different states of consciousness. Beta waves, for example, are associated with alertness and focused attention, while alpha waves are characteristic of relaxation and meditation. Theta waves, which occur during deep meditation and REM sleep, are thought to be the gateway to the subconscious mind and higher states of consciousness. It is in these states where the boundaries of the rational mind dissolve that we may be most receptive to the subtle energies and information of the 5th dimension. By intentionally shifting our brainwave frequencies through meditation, chanting, or other techniques, we can potentially access and interact with this higher reality. Section 5. Sacred Geometry, Blueprints of the Cosmos. From the spirals of galaxies to the intricate patterns of snowflakes, the universe is replete with examples of sacred geometry. These geometric shapes and proportions are not merely aesthetic coincidences but blueprints of creation, reflecting the underlying order and harmony of the cosmos. Ancient cultures recognized the significance of sacred geometry, incorporating it into their art, architecture, and spiritual practices. The Egyptians, for example, used the golden ratio, a mathematical proportion found throughout nature, in the design of their pyramids and temples. The flower of life, a geometric pattern consisting of multiple overlapping circles, is another example of sacred geometry. This symbol is found in cultures around the world and is believed to represent the interconnectedness of all life and the fundamental patterns of creation. By studying and meditating on these sacred geometric forms, we can gain insights into the hidden order of the universe and our place within it.